Okay, so hi guys. This was the trade that I took last Tuesday, August the 6th. We took this trade during New York session. As we can see from London session open, we had this big leg down. And honestly, we were bearish like on every single time frame, but I ended up taking a long position. But we see this big sell-off and we were bearish on every single time frame until the weekly, which, as we can see right here, is still bullish. So technically, taking longs is still not like invalid, but it can be risky. So I took some risk off in this trade. But yeah, we were feeling this bullish fair value gap on the weekly, so I was like, okay, maybe price wants to go higher at least, or at least have a leg high up. So we see New York session opening, and we draw into these previous session lows that I marked with this rectangle, and also sweeping out London session lows from the previous one. And this was also a 4-hour liquidity sweep because the 4-hour didn't close like right under it. It just swept it. And also on the 30-minute, we didn't close above it. So I was like, okay, good. Maybe we're going higher. Maybe we're looking for longs. But I was honestly, like in the beginning, I was looking for shorts because we were bearish. But we didn't close below these lows. And we had this 30-minute imbalance fair value gap right here. This one, which we disrespected with this 30-minute candle. So I was like, okay, I was still looking for shorts here, but I was like, okay, maybe price wants to go higher. Then we see that the 50-minute broke structure. So this gave me like a more bullish confluence. And then we see, boom, fair value gap getting created on the 15-minute and a perfect retrace inside of it. Then I scaled down into the 5-minute, and I saw that we didn't break structure on the 5-minute to the downside, and we filled in this. So I was like, okay, looking for some like sort of bullish strong confirmation like this candle here to the upside, or like something on the 1-minute, like a fair value gap or something, to get filled so we could like, okay, boom, go long. So I scaled down even more into the 1-minute, and we had this bearish fair value gap, which we invalidated with this strong bullish confirmation. That's where I entered, like right here. Also breaking structure to the upside with this. Oops, here, this one. Boom. So I entered right here. 1 to 6 reward ratio. My stop was below this 15-minute fair value gap, which I believe it was a really good like stop loss because it wasn't like that tight, but not even that big of a stop loss, just because we already filled like all the way up until below this fair value gap. So I was like, okay, price, I don't think price wants to go that low again. So for me, it was a good trade. Made 80 bucks on this, and I'm currently up, I think, 5% on my my account. Yeah, 5.18% up, and I'm trying to pass this account hopefully. But yeah, we're doing good. Just like the last two previous losses that I took were really hard for me, but like we got back into this and we won. So really good trade today. And as you can see, like after like 1 or 2 days, price ended up going up still went up and still like broke 4-hour structure, showing that my bias was correct from the start of the week. Because because we were feeling this huge imbalance on the weekly, and we closed inside of it, sweeping, like taking all of this liquidity out, and then boom, just going up. So I believe next week is gonna be like bullish. We're gonna take longs, and let's just see how it goes. So yeah, good trade. See you.